Dalavinana, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or good afternoon. I'd like to, of course, acknowledge the Tuimba who's here with us, and I'd like to thank you very much, Ratu, for being here with us. As the chair of Wailesi has just mentioned, Robert Khan, I'd like to thank him and his team for the work that they've been doing. That this office that's been opened here today is a series of offices that are being opened throughout Viti Levu. We just opened one this morning in Rakaraki, in Ra, and we're opening one here. At 1:30 this afternoon, we're going to Lautoka, opening one there. And in the afternoon, of course, the best town in Singatoka will be opening it there. And the reason why we're doing this is this, as you know, that Wailesi, and most of you may not, may know about it, some of you may not know. But Wailesi, of course, is about the very massive initiative that government undertook to provide television services to all Fijians, and it's free to air. All you need is what you call top box. If you earn less than $30,000 a year, we give you a set-top box for free, and then you connect it to your television. The moment you connect it to your television, you'll get 8 channels. This includes 3 channels from FBC, from Fiji TV. You have My Television. You have a parliamentary channel, and then you also have just-based channel that runs 24/7. We of course hope to add a couple of more channels to the Wailesi platform. We have today about 150,000 Fijians who now use the set-top boxes. That's how many set-top boxes have been distributed. And of course, you are here today. If you earn less than $30,000, you don't have a set-top box, you can fill out the form, the set-top box form, connect it to your television, and you'll have free-to-air television. You don't have to pay for it. If you earn more than $30,000 a year, you can buy it. You can buy it not just from the, but you can buy it from courts and various other places. It costs about $80. Now, the other thing that we have done through Wailesi is that through these phones here, you can watch your television on the phones, and it's what we call the OTT system. All you have to do is go to the phone, you download the Wailesi app. This application is called, and it's free. You download that, and then you can watch any of the channels that's on Wailesi. So assuming you're a market vendor and you're now going home on the bus, or you're going home in the this is the app. You can see that, and all the channels are there. Whichever one you want, you press it and you'll get the channel. So you're going home on the bus, you're going home in the car, in the taxi or the carrier, and you want to say watch news. You can watch it on your phone. If, for example, there's a rugby match going on and Fiji is playing and you want to watch it, you can watch it on your phone. So we have over 400,000 Fijians that have now downloaded this app. So they watch the news, the favorite TV program, Gaki Kahani, or whatever it is that they want to watch. And they watch the news, you can watch it on your phone. So that's the beauty of Wailesi. The other thing that I want to do about Wailesi is that it's got 100% coverage. So in other words, you can be anywhere in Fiji and you can actually watch any of the programs that comes to the Wailesi platform. The reason why we're opening this office, as you can see, it's a very simple office. We've used containers, so we're being smart about the way we spend money. It's a container that's been converted into an office. It's nice and air conditioned. But people who may have queries, people who may have problems, you can come here. The people in this office will be able to help you. And for those of you who do not have a set-top box, you can get your set-top box from this particular office here. So we're very glad to be here. We don't make a long speech, but I hope those of you who do not have this Wailesi access, please come and use that. It's available to you. If you already have it, please tell others to come and use it too, because we want you to be informed. We want you to watch the news. We want you to watch the parliamentary session. We want you to watch entertainment, watch the rugby, and this is a service that we are obviously providing to you as a government. So, Vinaka Vakalevu, and thank you very much for coming here this afternoon. Naka, thank you.
go.